Hi everyone, Deb here again. I am here to share my page for Color and Create with Us You Rock Art, hosted by Rosemary's You Rock Art. So the page we had this time was a little gnome or elf or whatever you want him to be, and I used Sue Color colored pencils, a little bit of soft pastels for the background, some Jelly Roll glaze pen for, you'll see, and some glitter gel pens from Hobby Lobby. I don't know where I think I got these off Amazon. Well, I got them at Michael's first, and then I got another set, and that was off Amazon a while back. And erasers. So here we go. Here's my page for December 2nd. I think it came out cute. I originally thought about doing something like a Santa Claus little elf or something, but I decided not to. I didn't do his eyes. Oh my goodness. All right, well, I might have to do something with his eyes, just a little bit around the black, and it'll probably be blue. Oh, and I also used Crayola pencils, the colors of the world in the two lightest rose colors. I got a little blue on his ear from the background. He's turning blue. Oh no, don't let him do that. So, yeah, I used the sparkle pens on the joy and the hearts after I colored them with, I think it was magenta was the color. So I decided to use that color, but I ended up using two other more darker colors in here. And these are probably those same flowers, but I wanted them to be different. So these ones are yellow and two shades of orange. And the green is grass green and I think just green is the color. And this is emerald green and dark green and sapphire blue and I can't remember, a blue, ultramarine blue. And I think this is sky blue and pale blue, or lightest sky blue and pale blue. And after I did this, I was going to try and outline them in acrylic pen, but I am not good at that, so I have to just stop trying that because I kind of messed up the joy and it started to bleed a little bit. So I decided just to go around them, make them like 70s letters, you know, to highlight the joy a little bit with the darker blue, which was so boy, I don't know, sky blue, and then the palest blue was in the background of the cloud. I thought about just doing like the edges in blue and leaving it white, but I don't know. I just didn't want to. But then I had a dilemma because that was blue. I wanted the sky to be blue, so I used pastels and I did use the palest blue and a white in these and the palest green and then just under the guy a little bit darker green. And these were my blending tools. You can see I still have some on me. I'm getting a shower next, so that'll be okay. Anyway, that is my page. Thank you, Rosemary, for hosting this. I don't have a create again. Oh, and I said all his skin is two shades of the Crayola colors of the world, the rose, the two latest rose colors. Oh, here's the glaze pen. Now, I kind of regretted doing that because to me, now this looks like slippers. And then I was thinking, well, if it's slippers instead of shoes, I should have made this skin tone. But I was thinking it was all shoes, but then I went and put this on. It's okay. I was thinking not slippers. I was thinking, you know how like sneakers, sometimes they have the rubber over the toes, sneakers, right? Athletic shoes nowadays. Anyway, they used to have like the more rubbery or plastic over the toes, and then the back was material. That's what I was going for, but now it looks like he has socks on with slippers. But hey, that's right up my alley because when I come home, you know what I do? I take off my shoes and put on slippers, and sometimes I don't. If I have socks on, I just walk around the house in socks. Unless I have to go to the basement or out to get the mail or something. Yeah, you know. Anyway, too much information, right? Let me know what you think about my little Nomi Elf Man. I think I did pretty good. I'm practicing shading like on his beard and with the two shades. I probably could have done a little bit darker even on some of the skin shading, but there you can see it a little better when I bring it up, except I got to go over it a little bit because his ear got blue from this stuff rubbing in. Oopsie. Oopsie. Yeah. I haven't quite figured out how to not get the pastels streaky. And I tested gelatos back here on this paper, and this was the gelato, and it didn't work on this paper. This worked, but these were the pastels, and they worked better. You still see I get streaks sometimes. So I have to do it in sections because if you let it sit on the paper and don't rub it right away, it gets the streaks. Now, if you want the streaks, that's okay. Um, I didn't put any stars in the sky or anything. I just, yeah, wasn't feeling. I did add white to this where I had a few streaks thinking it would blend it out a little, but it didn't really do it too much. Anyway, I'm happy with it. I hope you like it, and please be sure to check out Rosemary at Rosemary's You Rock Art. Her channel will be in the description, actually probably in the title. And then use the hashtag and see by the end of today, anyway, I think it's on Monday anytime, and see what everyone else created. My only beef with those hashtags is any hashtags. When you look at them, they're not chronological, so they ought to have like the most current ones on top and then, but they don't, they're just all mixed up. So what comes up might be from 8 months ago or a year ago, because I think, or no, well, January, almost a year ago, because I think she did a 2023 one, but that would be a different hashtag. So yeah, that's my only complaint, but that's a YouTube complaint. YouTube, are you listening? Probably not. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on that, or is there a trick to sort the hashtags in chronological order, reverse order, or you know what I mean. Most current on top. All right, guys, have a great day, a great week ahead. Today is Monday, December 2nd, and yeah, I have a lot to do today, so I'm going to get off here. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.